I iron the clothes.
Let's iron the clothes. We make the shirt nice and smooth. Iron the sleeve too. Now it is perfect.
I hang the clothes.
Let's hang up the clothes. Shirt, socks, all clean.
I sort the laundry.
Let's sort the clothes. I put the pink shirt here, and the blue sock goes here. Now we have different piles.
I fill the washing machine.
First, I open the door. Now, I put the clothes in. Next, I close the door. Finally,
I add the detergent.
let's wash our clothes. Open the drawer. Pour in the detergent. Now we are ready.
I press the button.
This is a washing machine. Press the start button. Now it is washing.
I sweep the floor.
Hello, this is my broom. Let's sweep the floor. Floor.
I mop the tiles.
I am mopping the floor.
I empty the bin.
Let's clean up. Lift the trash bag. Pull it out. Tie it up.
I wipe the counter.
Let's wipe the counter. Now it is clean. Great job!
I scrub the pot.
Let's scrub the dirty pot. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Now we rinse it. Look, it is clean.
I rinse the vegetables.
First, I rinse the green lettuce. Next, I wash the red tomatoes. Then, I clean the orange carrots. Now they are ready to eat.
I chop the vegetables.
Hello! Today we are chopping vegetables. Let's chop the orange carrot. Good job! This is great for our soup.
I stir the soup.
I am making some soup. Look at the big orange carrots. Do you like soup too?
I set the table.
Let's set the table. Here are the plates. Put down the forks. And here are the glasses.
I pour the juice.
I am pouring some orange juice. Delicious! Would you like a glass of juice?
I clear the table.
Let's clean up the table. I pick up the plates. Now it is clean.
I stack the dishes.
These are clean plates. I stack them neatly.
I dust the shelf.
Hello! Let's clean the room. I dust the big bookshelf. Great job!
I polish the furniture.
I wipe the table. I polish the table.
Thank you. Keep learning, subscribe, and like the video too.